You know, the beautiful deckled edge that comes on a full size sheet of watercolor paper. Everyone loves that deckled edge. It's really pretty. It's aesthetically pleasing. But you have the full sheet and you don't need a full sheet and you want to make a smaller painting. So then you cut it and you get the straight or kind of straight lines, and it's not as aesthetically pleasing. That's your word for the day, aesthetically pleasing. It doesn't look as good. There you go. And you want that deckled edge because a lot of artists don't put mats around their watercolors. They like to frame it floating in glass where the deckled edge is all the way around, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to tear your paper so that you can get that beautiful deckled edge and not have to use scissors to cut it and ruin the aesthetics. All right, let's go. Okay, let's pretend that this is a full size sheet, can't talk today, of watercolor paper, and we want to make it smaller. And we want to preserve this deckled edge, keep a deckled edge on it. The first thing you would do is fold it so it's smaller. Decide how big you want it and fold it to that size. We're using this small paper because I have my small little camera. You fold it and then you want to crease it. Now this is a scrap paper I'm using, so there's painting on it. And then turn it back on itself and crease it again. This is 140-pound watercolor paper. It'll be a little bit more difficult with the 300-pound because it's thicker, but you can do it with both. You want to get that crease. You want to kind of break up the cotton fibers like so. Then you're going to tear it at the very edge. Just tear it. Can you see? I'm just tearing it. All right, I'm going to have to flip the camera to show you the rest. Okay, I've switched to a smaller sheet of paper so you can see everything I'm doing. I have the little tear that we made at this end. I've tucked my fingers down. I'm supporting both sides of the paper. You just want to put it on the desk and then push. And then there you'll have it, your beautiful little deckled edge. Beautiful.